Hi friends, welcome to the weekly Roundup. The spread between the Indian and US 10-year bond yields dropped to its lowest level in nearly 14 years. But it cannot remain this low for too long and could reverse over the coming weeks, analysts said on Tuesday. India's benchmark bond yield has hovered around 7% for the last few days, and the US yields rose to around 3.75% in the past 2 weeks, shrinking the spread to 325 basis point, levels last seen in August 2009. During the week, RBI put out a press release saying that they decided to withdraw Rs 2000 notes from circulation. However, the banknotes in 2000 rupee denomination will continue to be legal tender. The public may deposit 2000 rupee banknotes into their bank accounts and or exchange them into banknotes of other denominations at any bank branch. Time is given up to 30th of September this year for the same. RBI stopped printing 2000 rupee notes way back in 2018-19 and its circulation has been coming down every year. This is not expected to have any major disruptive effect on the economy. It is likely to improve liquidity as cash in hands gets deposited into bank accounts. Moving on, Reserve Bank of India's Central Board of Directors has approved the transfer of approximately 87,000 crore as surplus to the central government for the financial year 2022-23. The board also decided to raise the contingency risk buffer to 6% from 5.5%, RBI said recently. The dividend for 22-23 transferred in 2023-24 is actually sharply higher than what the government had expected to receive. In 2023 budget, the government actually had estimated that it would receive around 48,000 crore as dividend from the central bank. Let's see what's happening in the global markets. The US stocks fell on Tuesday as policymakers in Washington struggled to lock in a debt ceiling deal with less than 2 weeks left until the government is due to default. The mood in markets earlier in the trading session was already cautious after President Joe Biden and Republican House Speaker Kevin McCarthy on Monday evening failed to strike a deal to prevent the US government running out of money by the end of the month and avoid an unprecedented default. And before we sign off this week, let's see what's happening with the Nasdaq. The tech-heavy Nasdaq rose more than 1% on Thursday as Nvidia shares soared on a blowout forecast that also lifted other AI-related companies. Shares of Nvidia Corporation, the world's most valuable listed chip company, jumped 26.3% to hit a record high after it forecast quarterly revenue 50% higher than estimates and said it was ramping up supply to meet demand for its artificial intelligence chips. On that note, signing off for this week. Keep following us, tracking us, and subscribing to us. All the very best. Speak to you same time next week. Bye-bye. Take care.